Hey everyone, this is Dan Caruso, Support Director here at Agency Access. Today we're going to go through a quick video of how to refresh a saved list in your account. You can also check out our articles in our Help Center for more information at help.agencyaccess.com. Once you're logged into your account, you're going to be brought to your dashboard. From here, you have the option to go to Lists, or you can also select the List option on the left-hand navigation bar. Once you get into here, you're going to see your saved list that you built previously. You'll be able to organize them by name. You can see how many contacts and companies are on each list as well. Most importantly, you're able to see the last refresh date. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and select an older list that hasn't been refreshed in a while. So we're going to go ahead and select the Master Creative Contact list. Once you go to edit your list, it's going to ask if you're ready to refresh, at which point you can choose Accept Changes or Review Changes. Accept Changes is essentially saying that you're going to trust the system to do its thing, and if they no longer meet your criteria, you don't want them to keep these companies or contacts on your lists. When choosing the Review Changes option, it gives you the ability to look into the changes to see what the refresh is actually doing. We're going to go ahead and select Review Changes. And now we're going to get three different sections. So we have our now meets criteria, no longer meets criteria, and deletions. So because this is an older list, there are some more contacts on here than normal, but you do have the option of going through and saying, okay, these contacts now meet my criteria. Do I want them added to my list? So you can select all, which will select all on this page, or you can select all 2,300. More importantly, you can go through and you can select individual companies that you'd like to add, as well as individual contacts by cherry picking within each company. Okay. Once we've gone through with that, we're going to move ahead and go to the no longer meets criteria section. In the no longer meets criteria section, these are contacts essentially that could be removed and will be removed unless you choose to keep them. So in this scenario, this could be something as simple as a specialty change for a company. It could be something like a title change for a contact. It could be something as simple as I know John Smith at $11 bill and I want to make sure he stays on my list and I don't care if his title is not accurate. So you would go ahead and just select this company and you'd be able to keep them there. Okay, now we're going to move on to deletions. Deletions are very simply contacts that are no longer in the database, and because they are no longer in the database, they are no longer for use. We are just showing you them here so that you can see who is being removed from the list. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and select Finish. And now that the list is finished, you can come in here and you can see your selections from both the refresh process, which is in the handpick section. So in handpicked, this is where all of your contacts are essentially going to be locked. So once you've selected to keep them on your list after they're no longer meeting your criteria, you're essentially locking them into your list and saying, I want these on here no matter what. Okay, now you can hop back to all segments, and then once you're done here, you click close. And from within here, we can now see that our master creative contact list has been refreshed on 2.3, and it'll give you an update on the number of contacts and companies. Okay, so that's it for today, everyone. As mentioned earlier, should you have any further questions regarding this topic, please feel free to check out our Help Center at help.agencyaccess.com.